Alright, back at it again with another arena game. This time we're going to try to, once again, get Minion Malzahar. I'm not sure what other video this will be clipped with, so it might be 2 Malzahar games back to back. Maybe. I hope not, but maybe. Alright, so to start with, we will go... Let's go Guardian Shroud just for some health, because once we start going AD for one-hit items, we will definitely be needing some HP. That's for sure. I wonder if Yasuo's one wall blocks my E. Does it? No, you tub. Oh, I missed my... Okay. I swear I definitely just hit my that plant there, but I could be wrong. Let's harass Yasuo a little bit. Harass him. Man, wow, they are really just going for you. They're gunning for you, bro. Oh, well. It's okay. Well, I can't do a whole lot of damage, really. Not a whole lot can be done. I don't know how I did that, but cool. I don't know how I did any of that just now, but cool. It did hurt. It hurts my soul. Nice Teemo. Love seeing Teemo. Let's see, Minion Mancer? Rabble Rouser? I really don't like any of those. Phenomenal Evil. Sure, we'll take it. But still, it's still pair well with the minions because they do AP, AD. So, either way, I mean, now my other abilities will just do damage. I'm gonna look it up real quick. If Minion Mancer is prismatic gold or what? Sup, Pike? Oh wow. Nunu's taking some damage. Come on. Oh. Yeah. I mean, the heals are ridiculous for both of these people. Oh, cool. I got the kill. How did I get the kill? I get really confused sometimes when I get kills. I'm just like, how? How did I, like, that one I understand because I threw my Q down. The other one I'm not sure. The Minion Mancer, where you at? Yeah, sorry. Here, let me swap it over to the other match. Minion Mancer, I thought was a bronze, but it might not be. Okay, these are in alphabetical order. Wax Mage. Minion Mancer is gold. Okay. I don't know which one's considered gold, which one's considered not gold. But Marksman. Yeah, give me these Berserker Greaves. I know I should be upgrading my minions. But we're just gonna ride the wave of... Yes. Duly noted. Ride the wave of... AP. Using AP for right now. Hey now. Hey now. Oh dang, he ultied. That's no bueno. That'd be a great one. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang. Why are you going after me? What'd I do to you? That was kind of weird. Going after me. No sense in that. Man. They really said Malzahar, he's gonna die. That's fine, that's fine. Oh. Okay, well done. Ooh. Monies. Boosting his Rage Blade.
The items don't make the fighter, but they
Right.
sure do help them win.
I don't know, the item kind of makes the fighter sometimes. Alright, hopefully we get mini mage from the next augment phase. Really hoping we do. Look at that E damage. Yasuo and Tom Kinch. Well, luckily, I can, yeah, seeing that coming. What the? Oh, I forget I cancel his Q. Whoa. Oh, okay. That's what he's going. Yeah, watch out for old Tubalo coming through. Come on, I've smacked my R like 3 times now. Wow. You are such... Taham, you're tough. And I'm going to die. Nice. I'm coming, Vi. I swear I'm coming. Oh. Tom, why is everybody like gunning me down? What, like, why do people hate me? Why do people hate Malzahar? Like, I'm not even doing your standard Malzahar build. I'm doing a one-hit build. Bye-bye, Tubbs. Tubbs. Where? No, I want Minion Mancer. Oh, Minion Mancer. Oh my goodness, yes. If you're curious about what Minion Mancer, I'm not sure if the Voidlings proc one-hit items, but if they do, this is going to be really fun, and my minions are about to do a bunch of damage. They're going to carry the game. Like, they will carry the game, hands down. I have no doubt about that. No doubt about that. Let's go ahead and just suppress you, Teemo. Come on. It's alright. We're doing good. Yeah. No, pop mouths are hard. Teemo, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh my goodness, look how gigantic those minions are. Granted, they're getting one hit. They're getting one hit. But still. Look at them. Well, it looks like their attack speed's different. Does it increase? Maybe it will do one-hit effects. I'm not sure. If it does, it's gonna be killer. It is going to be killer. Yeah, give me my W. Let us go. Who are we going against? Nunu and Pike. I think Bork's probably the go-to here. I think Bork would be a better item. Oh man, Minion Mancer. How I've desperately wanted you. I'm not really going to be able to tell if my minions are doing on-hit effects or not. So I'll watch the gameplay back and see. Scary. What happens? Okay. We're all different directions, but it's okay. I'm coming. My minion got stunned. That's pretty funny. No, Pike, go away. Go away, Pike. There we go. Probably should have locked down Nunu, but oh no. Oh boy. Oh goodness. The healing. We need healing cut very badly. Healing cut very badly. Oh. Nice. Just gonna hit. Just gonna attack. Oh, no. Dang. Oh my goodness. Do this. Tom Kenshin Yasuo. Oh, probably should have won. See. EQW. Third R down, man. Singed, Yone. Kha'Zix, Kindred. What the heck? Talking about some weird ultimates. Yep, just lock him down. Nice. Haha, Tubbs. Me. Oh my goodness. He was getting 8. Oh man, if I had, you know, crit, that'd be great. But I don't think crit does anything with. Yeah. I don't think it does anything. This is going pretty. This is pretty fun right now. We're tied for HP. No, they're ahead of us by 2. Pike, don't. Thank you. Give me Cheeto. Nice. Bye-bye. Pike. Bugger off. Oh wow, that minion. Minion helped out a lot. No. Vi, get me. Let's see what the next business conference. What? Where did he come from? I thought he was dead. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, no. Man, Pike is always cucking me. Anyway, that Pike's just a gigantic cuck. Okay. I'm glad we won, but really wish Pike would stop being a dick. Team Krug eliminated. Alright, yeah, let's go 4. WTF. What? What's up, Cheeto? Alright. And after this my life still 8%. Not very good. We'll go for. Oh, for real? You can either get this or this. Oh wow. Not aware of that. Probably ride it out with what do I want to ride this out with? I guess it depends on who wins. Oh wow. What does Teemo have? Holy Knight. Twice, thrice. Oh my goodness, Mark's mage. No wonder he hurts. Let us go. I'm not sure. I'm honestly not sure. Rapid fire cannon, maybe? Yep, Bork. I mean, Bloodthirster actually might have been a better idea. I could have sold my boots for Bloodthirster. Yeah, we need to get Cheeto out the game. Oh. Nope. Going this way. There we go. There we go. Get him out. Get him out. I'm dead. He is Guardian's Angel. No bueno. Oh wow, you got this. Nice. Ooh. Can she live is a question. Oh, that's gonna be negatory. Come on. No. You're doing damage with the sure. Magic missile's never a bad idea.
Guess all that training really is bad.
Oh, we could do Nashor's Tooth. Nashor's Tooth, maybe? What's out it though? What, Papa? What? Let me finish this game and we'll go outside, okay? Okay. I don't have juice. Set again? Really? Okay. 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 Yeah. Totally. Magic. Okay. Well, we got Minion Mansion. I'll watch the footage back and see if I did proc any on the minions. But if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, we're back at it again with another arena game. This time, we're going to do Machine Gun Lulu. Hopefully. Hopefully do Machine Gun Lulu. So give me a Guardian team. Let's see, which one of these? This one. It's a polymorph. Who are we going against first? I don't even look to see if we're gonna. Wow. Okay. Oh, and that's our first teammates. Great. That's our first pairing. That's amazing. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, gonna have to pass on that invitation to... Oh, okay, well, it's actually isn't going bad. No, would rather... Nice. Nice, okay. We actually won that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very surprised by that. Well, wait, I don't know what Hui does. Oh, I've seen him like 2 times in here. Oh no, his that ability is ridiculously long. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Bye bye, Hui. I don't even know if I say his name right. Me. No, well. Let's try Pike. You tried, bud. Your attack still, physical damage equal. Ooh, that's cool. No. My Q. No. What? None of these help me. I'm not gonna have any of these. Okay, we'll just get Holy Fire. We'll just get Holy Fire. Like, I guess it'll be useful. I should have just went for the E spam. Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave you alone there, Volley Bear. Great. Ha ha ha. No. Forget your polymorph. Come on, just give me. I want to play. Come on, give me away. Alright, I got what I did what I wanted to. I set up what I was set for. Kill Hui. Lexi, what is this? Gaze of the Abyss, Grim Fist. What? What? I don't know what any of this does. Not a single bit. Okay, cool. That's cool, I guess. Give me these Berserker Breeze. Bam, bam. Oh, dang it, that's right. I need to unkeep on that. Ignore that. Man. Struggle with the keybinds. Singed and Pike, okay. Definitely just let you take the lead on this one, buddy. Let you take the lead. Transmogulate. I'm sorry, but no running away from us, bud. No running away. Yeah, get him. Get him. Yeah. Don't know if I need to flash for that, but you know, I did. Come on. Slacking off in the clicks here. There we go. Bam. Bam. Woohoo. 3 kills. I think I'm still messing with them though. I don't know. We'll find out with the damage at the end. See, I'm surprised we beat Leona in the mid-mill. Pretty sure she wins here. Good job, Poppy. Good job, Poppy. Give me my W. Sweet. Yes, give me use this Rage Blade. I was hoping to see what mine. There we go. Alright, 1.58 so far. I wanted to use that on myself. Alright, I'm not even checking to see what he is. Oh, he is Red and Jam, that's right. Extendo Arm, is that Magic Missile? No, Rabble Rousing. Ooh, Still Heart. Tankiness. Mundo. Choke. I have a Mundo ultimate? That's honestly kind of funny. Watch out for that one. Nope, I need... Oh man, I'm gonna die. Whoa, man, I just got CC'd. Too much. Come on, Volibear. You got this. Volibear, just get me. Give me Volibear. Volibear, get me. Yeah. Now let me get this. Come on. Just live a little bit longer. Okay. There we go. Nice. Nice. Volibear's keeping this alive. Can't touch this. Spirit Link. Okay. Maybe. Ooh. Can't touch this is pretty good. I still can't touch this. Man, probably Goliath. Alright. Spiked and Singed. So now I'm invulnerable for a couple seconds. 2 seconds. That's okay. 2 seconds can make a big difference. 2 seconds can make a difference. No, he has Earthquake. No. Come on. Yeah. Get him. What? Oh, oh. No, no, no. Dang it. That earthquake. That earthquake. Wow. That's deadly. That is deadly. I remember did Moon as well. Man. The two small boys are getting, well, small boy and girl are getting big boy and big girl. I have no idea what's going on. There's so much stuff going down because of playing. Man, if you hear that, I'm sorry. So sorry. Okay. Wrecking Slayer should help out with this. Opie. Yeah, I'm definitely hunting away from the beginning. I'm getting away from the get-go, man. Brother, I need you to keep Poppy off me so I don't go for a play. There we go. There we go. Oh, Poppy, you are such an annoyance sometimes. You and that ultimate are so annoying. So annoying. Yeah, sorry for not commentating. I'm getting very focused in here. No! Dang it. So close. This is going so well, and then now it's just not. This is going so well, now it's not. But I feel like that's Arena in a nutshell. One augment changes the whole thing. And I didn't get any good ones. Well, I didn't get a good one of these. Ooh, Eureka, he's going for... Okay. See... Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. Who's gonna win? We're gonna win. That's who. Oh, Bork, okay. Don't Bork? Is that what I want? Yeah, I think I do want Bork. He's popular on her. Okay, yeah, no, none of that. Nope, watch me. I'm thinking, oh, I could do Nashor's Tooth for some AP. Nashor's Tooth, maybe the red, or no, probably go with Dermis Guard. We'll need that for these two. 3, actually, these 3. Let me recorrect that 3. Wow, 219. Come on. No, no, no. Just no. Just please, to goodness, no. The pike is... Okay, or not. Or not. Thank you. I'm glad somebody's looking out for my heels. Oh, what the... Yep, I'm dead. Oh my goodness, Polybear, you are such an annoyance. Like, come on, man, you literally smacked me right into them. You are a dummy. This is what you are. That isn't real, man. Dude, you blast me right into them. Like, what do you mean that isn't real, man? That's what happens when you throw me into 2 people. Well, one of them is an assassin. What do you mean? No, what's up with my throat? Goodness. I'm gonna start ulting myself. Forget Volleybear. Oh god. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? You can go lay down. You can go lay on the bed. I have Shin's ultimate. Terrible. Oh! Run, run, run. Shit. Let me out. That stupid keybind. I'm just absolutely fuming right now. Get me out of here. Like, just get me out of here. Alright. Come on. Okay. I'm getting tired of this. Getting really irritated at this. Oh wow, they lose there. Oh wow, they haven't lost a single match. Popping play. Oh, is that about to change now? No, that's not. Okay. Give me this. Yes. Give me. No. I want this. Yes. Give me this. Wow. Poppy's gigantic. How many stacks? 1,300 stacks? Oh my goodness. She has 20% Omnivamp too? What the heck? Just full build. This is ridiculous. There we go. Come on. I swear I heard her ultimate charging up. Nice. Nice. Kill you. Give me. Kind of like going Nash's Tooth, but at the same time I don't. Maybe Bloodthirster, honestly. Get some lifesteal up in here. Oh man, lifesteal does sound good. Now let's get what's in for that magic resist. Oh wow. Almost max attack speed. Does that 10,000 HP? Give me this. I want more HP. More HP. Yeah, we need to get Hui first. Undoubtedly. Hey man, don't be getting ahead of me. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm actually doing some pretty good damage to her. Come on. No. Just, oh no, we're gonna lose. Oh. Volley bear. Nice. Yeah, I don't have crits now. That's okay. This. That is what we need. That's what I need. That's what I need to stay alive. Poppy Kempunk Chainsword. Really? What? Ooh. No bueno. Not good for me. And he just bought that. Volibear. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Nice. Nice. Alright. We're coming right. Yes, I'll be real surprised if she doesn't take that. Nice. And that's how we magically pull one out. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.